Christmas is right around the corner, and since everyone expects some kind of potatoes as part of the holiday lineup, we've created an updated version of Au Gratin Potatoes that promises to be a hit. We start by peeling and slicing a couple pounds of baking potatoes. Sure, we can do this by hand with a sharp knife, but it's a lot easier if you use a mandolin or a food processor. Now, we toss these with some melted butter and layer about a quarter of them in a baking dish. And to give these lots of flavor, we sprinkle them with some chopped onion, along with some Parmesan cheese that we seasoned with a few spices. We repeat this, alternating the potatoes, cheese, and onions with some heavy cream until everything is used up. We'll cover this and pop it in the oven until the potatoes are tender and the top is golden. And whether you serve this with beef, turkey, or ham, it's going to be the star of your dinner. You can even assemble this ahead of time and bake it off right before serving. To get the recipe for our Herbed Au Gratin Potatoes, along with lots of holiday side dish recipes, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a creamy and flavorful way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."